The promises I make is the promises I keep. As I have promised you, which I am gonna come back to you with a full vlog of what went down on the content creators table that took place on the River Horse Valley in Durban this September. As you can see ukuthi uyabona besiwelcome kamnandi kanjani sithe masingena nje amadrinki ayelilizela esilinde thina ready for thina i-setup ithi welcome ismell seraja i-aroma ithi woze ekhaya angazi ukuthi uyini umcimbi ngaphandle kweraja welcome the smell was just saying I am ready for you. Content creators table kanti ke ngicela ungenzele kanje uma ukuthi uyaqala ukubona i-content yami nawe namhlanje uvela uthi qhafa ulike uyishare futhi nangokuthi yafowethu ya sanibonane. This is our trendsetter uMprudi on TikTok and ubani uMprudi as well on Instagram, making sure ukuthi izinto zethu ziready zime ngomumo. Ila imagic eyenzeke khona ke lapho uyabona lapha ikhishi lethu ukuthi liready lilinde ukuthi thina neziphuzo ziyalilizela zithi wozani ibani sekhaya. Raja was our sponsor. Angazi ukuthi umcimbi wakho uyini ngaphandle kweRaja, let alone ikhabethe lakho lasekhishini elingena Raja ukuthi liyini ngempela upheka ngani. Just check that table set up. That table set up, guys. Now remember phela ukuthi lo mcimbi was inspired by Heritage Month, which is inyanga yamasiko namagugu eMzansi. So everything was just saying heritage, as you can see the setup, as we can see the dress codes as well. Sathi qhafa imqhafazo ukuthatha ufakazi. Sona ke istatha sethu ke lesiya esivele sangishiya ngikhamsile nje. It's really yummy. You know, that drizzle. Kenqe yakhala sizele niyazibonela ke nani bafethu lapha na ukuthi ukudla komcimbi sekuredi kuyalilizela nabanikazi bomcimbi phela seberedi imqala sebeyilolile babhizi ngamaplate sebeyaphaka. Hey wena lalela. What was on the menu? It was creamy spinach, it was coastal salad, it was a veg, it was uphuthu ole private school engiludle lapha ya angaze ngiludle ndawo ujeqe ubuthi mamfu ichakalaka ivumile ibeef stew yakhona ibo kanti ngithini ngeshikini yakho uyabona le shikini guys. I'm still smelling it right now. Ubuzwela nje ukuthi siphethe Robertson sihamba ngoline no Raja cha nothing else. Uyabona mase kudliwa ke kuvele kunciphe neindaba ngoba hayi ukudla kusuke sekuza kahle. Istarter set was a malva pudding with custard. Bekungemnandi guys. Ayibo yazini uke wabona uma ngabe uzodla ukudla komuntu omthandayo ohleze umbona on your TV screen ohambule musu umbona in person othandekayo musu umbona in person onomusa uma usumbona in person ukuthi uvela uzizwele. My mom used to say ukuthi what brings food to life is the touch of a person that actually cooks the food. It's not the spices, because I can give you all the same spices, but imbiza yenu mase ngiqedile ukuyiphaka niyophula will never be the same. Hayi yimi lo ngihlafuna ibe ngiyazithandela Nkosi yami. Sane wazo wayenza into enhle. Creators table next time ngicela ungasali ngoba mina angazi ukuthi ngempela uzokwenza kanjani ukuthi uvele usale entweni enhle kanje sithi sihlangene singamakhona. Nami yazi ngavele ngazizwa ngiyi-content creator. I've never yazi ngaze ngizibale nama-content creators kodwa kulo mcimbi ngivele ngazizwa nje nami ngifitha khaxaxa ngathi hayi man kusho ukuthi ngiyangena la. Hawu ngangena ngaphelela. What an awesome evening. What an informational evening. More than anything, you guys, let me tell you ukuthi mhlawumbe lokhu uyazibuza ukuthi ngiloke ngikhuluma nge-content creators table yini yona leyo. A contenters creators table, it's an initiative that has been started by the owner of the Takes Love Kitchen, Usane is aiming to bring people in Durban and Joburg once a month. These events are going to take place, and what is more important is that in Durban we are always left behind on anything good that is going around in the space. So she tells me ukuthi she is aiming to do this once a month, whereby content creators will come together, talk about content creation, talk about the business of content creation, talk about how to partner with brands, talk about how to align your niche with brands, how to to bring, to build and groom that cult of yours that you called your followers, that is actually going to stay glued into their screens and attached into your niche, and make sure ukuthi that they support you in everything and anything you're doing, up to a point whereby even the brands recognize you. And Usane is also a PR strategist. Yo guys, the information that I got from that event, I don't want to lie, for the first time I've ever been phithizela kuma social media platforms, doing different things at different points in time. Angaze nje ngize identify nama content creators. Well, if you don't know who I am Zandi. The surname is Mfega. Ngine podcast laphaya ku YouTube. On top of the podcast that I have on YouTube, I also have a food and cooking channel where you are going to see a lot of my cooking skills, my cooking recipes that has been passed from me from generation to generation, and cooking tips. I will visit the restaurant and do restaurant reviews and more. So yeah, I will also do some of the similar food dinners and breakfast like this one that you see here with my subscribers on YouTube, with my followers on TikTok. So if you are a food lover, you love meeting people, eating good food with new people and making new friends, so stay glued and stay tuned into my content and into my channel, because I will let you know when is happening. When is zihapena kephi nini kanjani, ngoba the first one is coming up, and angeke ngikutshela ukuthi ubani ozobe khona. And guess what, mine is gonna be free. If you follow, give me some love. Mine is gonna be free. You're not going to pay a cent, because we are gonna be tasting some of the delicious, some of the scrumptious, some of the tastiest, juiciest tenderized steaks and meats and whatnot. Yeah, yabona into kanjalo nje. So ngithi kuwena, hlala unganyakazi, kusazoba mnandi la, sisazodla, sisazo-connecta, kuzoba. Thank you for watching my vlog. Ungakhohlwa phela ukusilandela la ku TikTok, usilandele ku Facebook, kanti uyosubscribela ku YouTube, Meaningful Conversations with Zandi Mfega, or Foodgasm channel, which is What's Cooking with Z, and kusazoba mnandi. From me to you, love and peace. And meeting this humble soul, Nompumelelo Nkosi Nkosi yami, it was just a highlight of the evening. Waze wathandeka umuntu well, let me speak for myself. Ngimthanda on my screen, and mase ngimbona in person, ngavele ngamthanda kakhulu mase ngimbona ukuthi uzithobe ngalendlela.
I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them, ordering bottles of the Ace when they send them. Till it ain't enough space up on the table to fit them. Go ahead and raise a cup up for all my day ones. 2 middle fingers for the hand.